Welcome to my little country kitchen. My name is Marianne. Today we're going to be making a strawberry cherry banana bread. They came by at a local parking lot and sold these beautiful, gorgeous strawberries. Are you saying 24 pounds of strawberries is too much? Nah, they're in pristine condition. Oh, I do see one that's gone icky, but literally just one. I already have a whole tray in my freeze dryer. All 5 trays. Awesome deal. For only $7 a flat. I have about 2 pounds of cherries that were on sale. And I bought 3 flats, well, of strawberries. I'm gonna do probably 2 or 3 more batches. We'll see how many I have. And they're sticking. Okay, I need 2 hands. Okay, it's way too hot in here to turn on the oven. It's 80 degrees. Let me show you. So I'm gonna throw this in the air fryer. This little pan fits perfectly. And now I'm gonna dump my banana bread in here and it will bake one at a time. I had a batch of freeze-dried strawberries come out, so I'm gonna do a freeze-dried strawberry banana bread, and it will be more like a cake. I've never seen anyone do that. Strawberries and bananas. Why not? That sounds delicious, right? Let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna put this in my air fryer as well because it's so hot. I do not want to turn on my oven and make it 90 degrees in here. That'd be crazy. We'll be back. I decided to add some fresh cherries to this one. We'll see how it goes. Yay, wish me luck. In case you're fooled, no, they did not cook that way. They burnt. I had to pull them off, and then I just put fresh ones back on to make it pretty again. The banana bread recipe I will put down in the thingamajig below. Let's taste. The cherries did well. Let's taste. And because I had to cook it in the air fryer, I had to flip it at least once. And the inside's still not quite done. You can see, but the edges are done. Yummy. We'll do in a pinch when your oven is broken. Okay. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.